Visit us on onestepenglish.education.
Hello. Welcome to English Conversation course of One Step English.
Today, we are talking about start a talk. Hi, Julie. What's up? I haven't seen you for ages.
Sophie. Fancy running into you here. Do you have time for a cup of coffee?
Sure. We really need to catch up. Do you work around here?
At the dress shop across the street. I'm a sales assistant for the time being, but I'm hoping they'll promote me to buyer after I have some experience on the floor.
Oh. I love that shop. Their clothes are so trendy and different from the run-of-the-mill. You look fantastic. I'll bet their sales have gone up since you started working there.
Well, I try. The thing is, I enjoy the work, because I love the clothes, and I like helping people find what works for them. It's actually quite fulfilling.
Good for you. And I think the idea of becoming a buyer is great. Before you know it, you'll be working on your own designs. I remember how you used to dream of being a fashion designer.
Yeah, and I think this is a step in the right direction. Now, what are you up to? The last I heard, you were about to move across country. I hope you're back to stay.
As a matter of fact, I just got back a couple of months ago. I'm glad I went, because now I know I really want to be here. I'm working as a waitress right now, but I'm hoping to get a teaching job. I've applied to most of the local school districts, so have my fingers crossed I'll get something this fall.
What do you want to teach? I've heard there are openings for high school teachers in Fullerton Academy.
No way. I haven't even applied there. I'll do it as soon as I get home. Man, that'll be awesome if they need a biology teacher. Thanks for the tip. Which reminds me, waiting tables isn't all bad. On weekends I get pretty good tips. And banking on the info you just gave me, I think I'll follow you back to work and splurge on a new dress.
Great. I already have in mind some things for you to try on.
Wow. I love this one. I guess I'm getting ahead of myself, but I have a feeling this is just what I need for the interview with the principal.
And for the first day of school.
Thanks so much for your help. Now I'm really pumped. I'm so happy I ran into you today.
Me too. Let's make sure we get together more often.
Yeah. I promise I'll keep in touch.
Take care, and let me know what happens. Bye for now.
Bye and thanks again. Improving your conversation. These are the words, or expressions used by Sophie and Julie in their conversation. What's up, run into, fancy running into you here, for ages, before you know it, as soon as, used to, try, there is, or, there are, wow, I'll bet, no way, on the, trendy, run-of-the-mill, dip, the thing is, a step in the right direction, be about to, which reminds me, have one's fingers crossed, pumped, bank on, splurge, get together, Keep in touch, catch up, get ahead of oneself, have a feeling, make sure, and let someone know.
What's up? What's up is an informal way of asking people how they are. For example,
Hey, Julie, what's up?
Oh, not much. How are you?
What's up?
hey, Julie, what's up? What's up? What are you up to? Is a way to ask people what they have been doing lately. For example,
So, what are you up to these days?
Oh, just working, as usual. How about you?
What are you up to?
so, what are you up to these days? Run into. Run into means to see someone by chance, or in an unexpected place. Fancy running into you here. Fancy running into you here means I didn't imagine I would see you. It is often said when you see people in places where you normally don't see them. Other expressions you could use in this situation are, fancy meeting you here, and what a coincidence. For ages. For ages, and in ages, mean for a very long time. For example,
How's Joshua? I haven't seen him for ages.
Yes, it's been a long time. He's fine.
For ages.
how's Joshua? I haven't seen him for ages. Before you know it. Before you know it means very quickly. For example,
Oh, I'm so tired of school.
Calm down. Before you know it, you'll be finished and wishing you were back in school again. Before you know it.
calm down. Before you know it, you'll be finished and wishing you were back in school again. As soon as. As soon as indicates that something will happen at the same time that something else happens. For example,
Please call me immediately.
I'll call you as soon as I get the information. As soon as.
I'll call you as soon as I get the information.
When are we eating?
We leave as soon as Matthew arrives. As soon as.
We'll eat as soon as Matthew arrives. Use to. Use to has several uses. To be used to something indicates a custom or habit. For example,
How are you living here?
At first it was difficult to live here, but now I am used to the cold weather. I'm used to.
at first it was difficult to live here, but now I am used to the cold weather.
How's work and sleep?
I work the night shift, so I am used to staying up all night and sleeping during the day. I'm used to.
I work the night shift, so I am used to staying up all night and sleeping during the day. Used to. Used to, do, can indicate action that was once habitual but is no longer done, or a situation that was once true but no longer is. For example,
How do you know Joshua?
Oh, he used to live next door to us. Used to.
Oh, he used to live next door to us.
How do you know Matthew's word habit?
Well, I used to be married to him. Used to.
Well, I used to be married to him.
Hey, let's stop here. We are done talking about these expressions. What's up? Run into. Fancy running into you here. For ages. Before you know it. As soon as. And. Used to. Now for the remaining expressions, please watch over the next video entitled, Nice Words for a Talk, Part 1, for the meanings and uses of the remaining expressions. See you on the next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe.